So, Carter, what do some of the energy charts show?
Well, let's get right to it. Let's look at crude oil first. We have two charts. This is going back to the early 1980s. And of course, we have the all-time high, essentially 150. That was in 2008. And we got close to that after the Ukraine invasion, about 135. And here we are sitting here sort of, I would say, in the middle of the tennis court, which is to say, it's a pair of twos. It's a non-trade. The here and now chart, if you want to zero in a little bit tighter, the question is, as annotated there, is that something of a bottom? The green arrow, that's my judgment. Others might put a red arrow. My thinking is you can trade this higher for about $3 to $4 a barrel. But in terms of the shares market, let's look at the sector. What I wanted to try to depict here is these are 10-year weekly charts. We're the same level we were essentially 10 years ago. The peak was in 2014. We got close to that earlier this year, and we're sitting right here. Now, just go through the next couple charts fairly quickly. This is the same chart, and what we know is the earnings are identical for the sector, earnings per share for the sector, as they were in 2014. Also look at sales. You'll see it's the exact same thing. You can do this also for EBITDA. We are essentially at the exact same level as well in terms of profitability. So the question is, though, the yields are better, right? And the question is this a defensive area of the market if and as the high flyers, micro strategies, give way? My hunch is to be overweight energy in 2025.